answer question under resistivity and conductivity. The resistance of a wire of length 100 cm and diameter of 0.3 mm is found to be 3 ohms. Calculate the resistivity. So abu na farko da zamu fara shi zamu yi kokarin cire duk abubuwan da aka bamu a cikin wannan question. So abu na farko da aka bamu a wannan tambayar shine aka ce the resistance of a wire of length 100 cm. So our length L is equals to 100 cm. Then say aka ce and diameter of 0.3 mm. So we have diameter D is equals to 0.3 millimeter. Then is found to be 3 ohms. This ohms is a resistor which is equals to 3 ohms like this. Then I can calculate the resistivity. Resistivity is something like this, which is constant mark. So kafin mu fara answer wannan tambayoyi akwai abubuwa guda biyu da kamata mu fara. Our length is in centimeter, da mu convert shi into meter. Duk number da aka baka in centimeter kana so ka convert shi into meter, you divide that number by 100. So now we have 100 here. So 100 divided by 100 it will give us 1 meter. Then the next one is diameter. Now our diameter is in millimeter. So the number that aka baka in millimeter and kana so I converting shi into meter, you divide that number by 1000. So what we need to do now is we are going to divide this 0.03 by 1000. 0.3 divided by 1000. We are going to have 0.3 divided by 1000. We are going to have 0.000002. So that's what we have in meter. So now we have 0.0003 meter. So and this one we have for our resistor is 3 ohms. So they asked us to find the resistivity. So using what formula? Using resistivity is equals to RA all divided by L. So now this R is resistor, this A is area. So I want to question whatever about area. So I am some area. So same of area is equals to pi R square. One nation formula in the area. Still, the first one pi is constant, so I can write it here. Pi is equals to 22 all divided by 7. Then the next one is what? Radius. So what is the formula for finding radius is R is equals to diameter all over 2. So from the question we have diameter. And our diameter, when we convert it from millimeter to meter, we have this. So now instead of this Z, I will replace it with this value 0.0003 divided by 2. So now our radius now will be equals to 0.0003 divided by 2. We are going to have 0.00015 meter. So in some radius. So I want to come out and now we're going to be substituting value of radius, the value of pi as in area. So now our area now will be equals to, we know is pi r squared, and this pi we say is constant as 22 all over 7. Then times this radius we have it as this value now. So till the radius now is square and you go down such a in bracket 0.00015 close bracket and we have square. So I will write square here. So now what we need to do now, we are going to say what area is equals to 22 all over 7, then times. If we like, we can square this number. This one is ordinary form. So we will change one ordinary form to become a standard form. If we change this to a standard form, then they can say multiply and dash with this value. So now, now we change one into become a standard form. This decimal point they are in between 1 and 5. How many times they cross in this decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are going to have 1.5 times 10 to the power of minus 4 close bracket and we have square. This one and this one are the same. The difference now is what? This one is standard form while this one is ordinary form. So now we are going to have what? Area is equals to 22 divided by 7, then times 1.5 square is 1.5 and 1.5 we are going to have 2.25, then times 10. Then minus 4 times 2, it will give us minus 8. So now we have this value. Then area now will be equals to, we are going to take this 22 multiplied by 2.25, then divide by 7. So we are going to have 7.07 times 10 to the power of minus 8. The unit of area is meter squared. So I will write meter squared. So now we have our area. So abin da ya kamata mu ba mun samu area shine za mu sake rubuta formula da za mu nemo resistivity shine resistivity is equals to RA divided by L. So now we have this formula. So now we are going to say resistivity is equals to, this R stands for resistor. Then from the question we have resistor as 3 ohms. So now we are going to substitute the value of resistor. We are going to say 3 times now. Then this A is what area? She knows I'm finding the area and as 7.07 times 10 to the power of minus 8. All divided by length. This L stands for length, and our length they give us in what? Centimeter, then we converting that into what? Meter. So that's why we have 1 meter. So our length now is something as 1. So now resistivity now will be equals to, then we have 7.07 times 10 to the power of minus 8. Then we are going to multiply it by 3. Then we are going to have something like this, 21.21 times 10 to the power of minus 8. So after we have this, then resistivity now will be equals to, this decimal point will come back between, in between 2 and 1. How many times this one will cross? It will cross 1 time. So we are going to have 2.1 times 10 to the power of 1, still then times 10 to the power of minus 8. One and one is in the decimal point and they cross in a crossing, so that's why we have terrace to the power of 1. Then we have terrace to the power of minus 8. So now our resistivity now will be equals to 2.1 times 10 to the power of 1, and we have minus 8. So now 1 minus 8 will give us 1 minus 7. So the unit of resistivity, and also as a unit of resistivity, we are going to follow the formula. The formula is RA all over L. This R is resistor, then the unit of resistor is ohms, then this A is area, the unit of area as we can see is meter squared. So I'm writing meter squared here. All divided by this one is length, and length unit is meter. So now kasan nan mana da meter guda ɗaya, kasan nan mana da meter guda biyu. In mun yi cancel meter ɗaya anan, nan ma za mu cancel meter ɗaya anan. Yanzu nan sauran mu meter guda na meter ɗaya. So now we are going to have ohms, then the meter guda ɗaya da sauran nan we have ohms meter. So the unit of resistivity is ohm meter. So this one is the final answer for this one.